Hello and welcome back to the JVZoo training videos. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the delayed and manual transaction payouts. Now, when these are used is when you're dealing with affiliates that are either on delayed payout, if you approve them for delayed rather than instant, and we'll talk a little bit about why you would do that when we get into affiliate options. And the other instance are people who live in particular countries that PayPal does not allow instant payout to. I believe India is one of those as an example. On those, they have to be paid manually. So this is where you would handle these. Now, you cannot set a delayed transaction to be automatically paid after a certain number of days. You just have to go in and do it yourself. So I'll show you what these pages look like. This is the delayed transaction report. Basically, it's also called the unpaid commissions summary. Now, I don't have any unpaid commissions to show you here because I'm all caught up. But I can tell you what you would be seeing. Here at the top is where you can pull down menus and search for various periods of time. Now, you should pay all of your delayed commissions before 90 days at the longest. Most people will either use 30 or 60 days. That's totally up to you. And you can pull whatever transactions out according to the time period you want to search. When you have unpaid transactions, they will show up here, and you will get a checklist that will show the transaction ID, which is the same as the receipt number, the JVZoo receipt, the commission status, whether it's pending or such, who the buyer is, and the affiliate that generated the sale, and the amount of commissions. Now, as it says up here, make sure to have the available balance in your PayPal account before processing payments. Otherwise, it will not work. In order to do the payments, you will simply check the check boxes that are on the left side of the transactions that you want to pay, and then click Pay Selected Sales. That will process the sales out. Affiliates will get paid, JV partners will get paid, and the transactions will be complete. So that's how you pay off your delayed affiliates. For the manual affiliates, you go to Transaction Payouts and Manual Transaction Payouts. Now, I actually have two of them that I need to do here. I have the details blocked out because obviously there are privacy issues if I showed them to you. But here we will have the pay key, which is the JVZoo receipt number, and these are clickable so you can see the details. The age in days, number of unpaid payouts, the product that the payout is for, who will get paid when you do the manual payout, and then the amount to be paid. Basically, same as on delayed transactions. You click the checkbox next to the ones that you want to pay, and then click Review Payees for selected transactions. I did neglect to mention that we do have search boxes up here if you want to search for specific affiliates to pay, etc. So you can do them all in one shot if you only want to pay one affiliate. But when you review payees, it will show a list of the payees here and how they are being paid out, whether it's a JVZoo commission, in which case you'll see the JVZoo company name, which happens to be Mindless Donkey for these, or if it's a joint venture payout, etc. You can click a payment method, which would be a mass check file or a PayPal mass payment, and that will generate the type of file that you need in order to pay these, whether you're paying by a manual check or paying by PayPal mass payment. PayPal mass payment is obviously the easiest way to do this as long as everyone can receive the PayPal mass payment. And this will give you a file that you can upload into your PayPal account that will do a mass payment in one shot. Refer to PayPal mass payments help to get more details on that. It's a very simple procedure. So you would pull down the payment method that you want to use for these. I will say PayPal mass payment, and then you click I will pay these directly, and affiliates selected will be notified that they will receive a manual payment. You click confirm, and JVZoo will give you the appropriate file in order to pay off these delayed payments.